Hello? Who's there? We're closed. Come back tomorrow. Huh? Steven?
Dad! Help! The cat fingers are taking over my body!
Hold on. Well, I'll get you out of there.
Dad!
Oh!
Bad! Bad cat fingers!
Can't you make them go away?
I tried, but it made it worse. My life is over. I can't go on magic adventures. I can't even open the fridge. And I'll never get to have another water fight with you, Dad, because these things hate water. They hate water. Dad, spray me again. It's not enough water. Turn on the super wash.
No, I won't do it. It's too dangerous.
You've got to! I'm a monster! I'm an adorable cat monster!
No, you're not. You're my son.
Dad, please! Dad!
Oh.
Dad! We did it!
Ah, 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 ah.